All right, Sharpening a Kukuri. Now, you could use a phone book or an old catalog like this Sears 1975 Fall Winter Catalog. You can put your sandpaper on top and just kind of move down here. And you turn around. But we live in a day age where most people, they don't have a phone book or a catalog. So, what I have here, it's a 1x30 belt just mounted between two boards. So we want a convex grind, so yeah. Now this is a Fall Niven CC4. Just gonna kind of smooth the edge out a little bit. And hit it with a butcher's hone. Right.